very important thing that I have learned from this workshop is to be able to tackle a problem in the right manner. So we need to ask the right type of questions, like making a mind map and to be able to make a logic tree.
Actually, before today's workshop, I kind of have a stereotype towards problem solving. I think that when we are spotting problems, we only focus on one aspect. Actually, when solving problems, we need to have a comprehensive scope and more wide scope towards the problems.
I want to have a startup that is going to be harnessing the power of AI to solve different set of problems across different industries. It could be in the medical industry, it could be in the civil engineering industry.
In the future, I want to have a startup for communication between different people, because nowadays applications and tools for communicating between different people is quite rare. So I think creating translating apps which can improve the understanding of others.
I'm really grateful for the quality education that I'm getting from CityU. I really like my professors. I think they're really qualified for what they're doing, and I really enjoy all of their instructions.
Professor is very keen and enthusiastic in teaching. He would prepare a lot of materials and try to make the lesson as interesting as possible. I've gained a lot of knowledge about translation, which is very beneficial for my future goals.